You can select anything.
Okay.
Yeah. Just a minute. Now I want to start the process.
Hmm.
EN. Yeah, this one complete. Please copy
I
and
can
try
paste
to
it here.
paste. Yeah. It will just load all your packages. Okay. So now
All right.
also install 6.1. Pip install G Unicorn. Copy this. Yeah. Just because it is also useful for the deployment. Okay.
Done.
Just a wait. And after that also I have created, and please try to copy this 12, and because I want to create the requirement, because server need this file and I want to ready this requirement.txt file. It is already there. So now no need to, I think, execute this Python iris dot. If you just want to just Python iris train.py, it will create, but my
Training.
model peak, yeah, training data, and save into the pkl file. So it will little bit take. Now the file is successfully saved. It is already saved. Now I want to run my the app like Python app.py. Very good. Now allow, and simply control. Now very good, very good. Such a great things. Like you just want to type 2, 3, like 4 and 5. So it will predict you some model. Okay, great.
Nice.
Yeah, good.
How do we get out? Close it.
Now please open your GitHub.
Okay.
Yeah,
New
now it is okay.
deployment.
Yeah, you can give any name like which your money. Yeah, and public. Okay, now create this. Very good. Just a minute. And I think you have earlier authorized your. Okay, just a minute. I just want to first get in it. Your
How do I
no,
stop
not a problem.
this?
Control C. I press Control C. Now it is stop.
Okay.
Okay, Git init
It's done.
is working. So where is the Actually, I just want to add the complete folder.
Okay.
So, okay, not a problem. So now I just want to add git remote add origin, and now
Path.
go to your Google Chrome and copy the link GitHub. Yeah, this. Yeah, just a minute. GitHub.
Yeah.
Yeah, this. Okay,
So remote will
copy
be this
this.
one.
Yeah, just copy this link. No, no, just a minute. Just copy this, and again go back to the terminal. Yeah, now it is paste. Now my git is successfully added. Now I just want to add git add dot, that means all. Now I just want to add git status. Very good. Now I just want
Git
to
commit.
add git commit. I am like any name deployment, like machine learning model. Okay.
The
Okay.
files.
Yeah, it will ask you to authorize
Okay.
uh, the git config hyphen global email and your password. Just a minute. Okay. And please pass your email
Right.
ID.
I got it.
Yeah, GitHub email ID which you have registered in your GitHub. Very good. And just a minute. And also the username.
Password.
No, no, not the user. Only the username. User. Just a minute. I'm just changing. Yeah, this. Please change the user dot email, user dot name, and okay, good. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm just changing. Okay, very good. Now git push origin master.
1 second. 1 second.
I think it is try to authorize you. Please click to this one and yeah, authorize. Access success. Okay, please go back to the. Okay,
Done.
good. Yeah, open the Google Chrome again, please. GitHub,
Oh, not that
reload
one.
your, okay, second.
Yeah.
Reload the entire web pages. Very good. The same web browser, please open the render server and Git for free. GitHub and authorize. Yeah, and activate in your email ID.
Um,
The mail is sent in your email. Please open to verify.
yes, I did. It's asking me some questions.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay. Nafis. And for the
Static
API
website.
model
No.
backend. Yeah. Others you can mention others. Yeah. And okay, starting a new project. You can also mention other basically. And okay, just continue. Not a problem. It is just optional thing basically. And click on the web service. Now click to the GitHub. GitHub. Yeah, this. Just a minute. Again, please authorize. Actually, it is a very advanced work.
I hate 2FA.
Yeah, because verify the code.
Seven, six.
Just a minute. Not to the all, only only select repositories. Yeah, and machine learning. Yeah, this one, and just install. And just simply click on this.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Mhm. Oh, connect.
Connect. Now it is your choice which name you want to use. Machine learning model. And create the project.
Go ahead. Sorry, my bad.
Okay. Into the production server. Now it is a production server.
Mhm.
Now I choose the production server. So it is a live, and it is a G Unicorn app. It will automatically, and it will install your requirement.txt file and to the server. And now click to the free. And okay, now I just want to deploy the web service. And it will take time little bit to deploy your project from the GitHub to here.
It's just filled
Yeah, now we are installing all the packages to the server you need into the development section. Into the development section, you can change, because I have ready this HTML page and we have to ready the complete logic here.
Oh, I see.
So which thing basically you want to change, the how many type of the events handling, and it is basically the part of the development team. And I have set all the things. Okay.
Okay.
So now it is a very great class today, and very your project I think is successfully deployed. And I just want to see where it provide the link. It's such a nice thing for you.
Oh,
Boom.
nice.
Okay.
And Nafez,
So,
maybe you need to provide recording because I don't have access to the